That's a nice
Yeah.
house.
We're here on the SS boat. The owner right there. Say hi. That's the owner of the SS
We had
boat.
an open house there.
Right there.
So much it was rent.
Right
So they've got two
there
pools up there. One cascade down to the other one, different level.
H. Pro's house.
Got a helicopter.
We're gonna go up
pad
there and say hi to
right
him.
there. You can land a
Are we gonna go up and
helicopter.
say hi to H. Ross?
Let me finish. Can I finish? Let me finish.
Go ahead. Yeah, we're gonna get this done.
Where's your whiteboard?
Pretty nice.
I can
Get your whiteboard. So anyway, these are some really pretty houses out here in Lake Texoma.
I just don't like it.
We don't know who owns that one,
Windows,
but we do know who owns that
It
one
could be a pain.
right over there.
And this big cover dock goes with the house.
And that's H. Ross
I don't
Pro's
think I
house.
have enough toys.
But anyway,
for
this is out here in the Eisenhower State Park area, Lake Texoma, and we're doing this sunset cruise.
We don't have to have
The lake is down 5 feet, but rains are coming in. As you can see, the clouds are starting to paint a interesting weather thing. Anyway, there's a beautiful house right there.
Mark, you think
And
somebody like me and Connie just live there? Take
there,
care of it, be security guard?
right up there above the boat thing, that's H. Ross's place.
We put a few steaks in the freezer.
And
I don't know if they'll let us park the boat on it. I don't know.
enjoy this little view right
Push
here.
it because you feel the refrigerator on.
So anyway, we're out here enjoying the beautiful sunset out here in Lake Texoma. Howdy y'all. And good times. Good times with great friends. That's what it takes. Just there's ladies in the back.
Got a few dogs. No boat.
And a tour around.
No, there's another little house on. He's probably coming down to grab us out for driving. Hey, Charlie. I seen a Jeep outside.
Right.
This is a private cove.
It's 23 right here. Is it that deep? It's pretty good.
Cooper, say something.
I'd rather be out on the point so you can see everything. Back in here, you couldn't see the dam.
That's my old
Can't see
buddy,
the
Ron
road.
Cooper.
And y'all quit cussing.
Super tall.
Hey, Joe, you know what you call a fish with no eyes?
A fish with no eyes.
No seat.
You know what you call a cow that has a twitch? Beef jerky.
I like that. I'm going to add that to my
Yeah, I'm getting ready. You're going to set me free here.
boy.
Joey, that just reminds me, kids were asking There's a fishing tournament on there last week.
Okay, cool. I need more jokes. So is all this land?
All right, that's it. Enough.
So that's an area.
Bye, y'all.
That's an area called Thompson Heights.